Hi guys, hello everyone! Welcome back to my tutorials. During my today's tutorials, short tutorials actually, I will teach you how to use Procreate in a very simple way, how to ease your painting process and how to turn your paintings into even more beautiful paintings. I hope you're ready. If so, grab your iPad, Apple Pencil and let's paint together. Guys, let's get started. And guys, for today's class I'm gonna use the texture paper, the brush sets that I created for my Skillshare community. And guys, you might follow the link and check my brush set along with actually two brush sets along with texture paper and watercolor palette, this one. And guys, you might follow the link and become a premium subscriber for 2 weeks for free. If you don't like it, just cancel it at any time. And you might go and download my brush sets. So this is the first brush set that I will use, and the other one is called Forest, that I created and that you might get for free, of course. Yeah, I can show you. You might use the stem brushes with trees that can help you to create an absolutely amazing sketch if you want to paint some forest or whatever. And also I prepared for you some pine tree brushes like this that can ease your painting process a lot. Also, I have some abstract pine tree brush. It's very interesting. I like the strokes that it creates. So guys, I already have watercolor paper and I already painted some pictures for the Skillshare class. This one and the last one is that picture. So as you might see, I tried to experiment and create different illustrations of forest of different trees in watercolor style. So we're gonna do the same today during our class as well. So what we will do first, I will go to the selection tool and I will press ellipse. And I need to create the shape of a circle like this. And after that, grab white color and fill this area with white color like this. After that, I will place it somewhere to the center. And as you might see, we don't see our painting, but that's completely fine. You might go to the layer and tap select, and now you see the area which is selected, which is perfect. And I will create one more layer on the top, and because we still have our selection on, we can paint just on our selected area, as that's perfect, that's what we need right now. So I will go and I will paint some kind of sky. I'm gonna use Boo watercolor background brush. Paint it somewhere over there. After that, I will grab darker color, and I still want to fill the area with this color, pretty dark one. I like this brush because it helps you to, have this watercolor splashes. Perfect. Create one more layer on the top. Still selection is on. And now I will go and grab some stem brushes, guys. The stem brushes were recently created by me. You might go and check them out, it's fine, I will leave the link. We're gonna merge together these two previous layers, this one, and now press clip and mask. That means that now I can paint just on our selected area and we don't need selection mode. So I selected this layer and now I can just play around and add some lines, some strokes that might help me to create very beautiful composition. And here you have more options. Which stems to choose? Probably that one. It looks wonderful. I want to keep it like this. Maybe I want to add some stamp over there. Let's return to our brush set. It's called Watercolor Forest. And you might think where you want to place it. I want to put it somewhere over there. I'll create one more layer, multiply. And I want to show some kind of, probably it will be mountains. Guys, I'm gonna go and merge together these 3 layers. I will grab pine tree brush. And keep in mind, I move the blending mode to multiply. Now you can just paint all around And my suggestion, you might go to hue, saturation, brightness, desaturate this color a little bit. I think it's too green, like this. And we can return to our pine trees, grab blending tool. As a blender, I'm using Terra layer brush from the set as well. This is native Procreate brush. And guys, you see I have some overlapping, so what I will do, I will just duplicate the layer, and now our pine tree is so saturated. That's what we need right now actually. So I will merge that together. I'll do same with those pine trees as well, but I will make them not that bright. Merge that together, all of it, like this. Next step, I will go to the eraser and grab Mercury as an eraser, and I want to make the edges a little bit scratchy. Now guys, next step is I will just go to the curves, make it brighter and make it more saturated, if we can say so. So the next step is I want to add more stamps. I'll create a new layer, set it as a clipping mask. Grab white color, and I will use this watercolor stamp 20, and I just want to erase some parts, make them pretty transparent, like what I do here. And we're gonna do same from the bottom as well. So I will merge it together. I'll create one more layer, set it as a clipping mask, still white color. I will grab this watercolor stamp 33, freeform. I want to make the scratchy lines like over there. Duplicate it a few times, you see, and now it's totally white. And we can place it on a top somewhere over there. Uniform, I don't want to distort the proportions. And my suggestion, you might write some quote. Grab dark green color, add text and write something like that. I think that was so simple, and now you know how to frame beautiful illustration with trees in watercolor style. And guys, if you like my class, please subscribe, thumbs up, and let's see each other in a new video. Bye bye!